Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is, look here, Assignment 2, okay, and our lecture number is 18. So dear students, let's start our topic. Today we are going to discuss about assignment topic, okay. So dear students, look here, our assignment 2, this is our assignment number 2, and our topic, those topic you have to do and you have to submit. Look here, you have to do some works from unit 6, okay. Unit 6 and the chapter name is leisure, lesson number 1, a day in Jahan's life, okay. And then you have to do another assignment from lesson 4 and lesson 5, and the topic name is traveling by train part 1 and traveling by train part 2, okay. Dear students, now we will look our assignment topic, okay. Dear students, from unit 6 lesson 1, a day in Jahan's life, from this chapter you have to do this assignment. Look, read the lesson 1 on day in Jahan's life, page 54, and make a daily routine accordingly for your own. Now try to follow your routine completely for the next 3 days without any gap, okay. After 3 days, write on your note sheet or exercise book what you have really done for these 3 days and mention which portion of the routine you could not complete fully with practical reasons, okay dear students. Then your next work is what? Your next work is, did you have any experience on a journey by train? If yes, how was it? Write 5 or 6 sentences on it. Or if no, that means if you don't have such type of experience by journey by train, then which journey did you have, okay, which journey did you have and how was it? Write this topic 5 or 6 sentences on it, okay. So dear students, now we will discuss our topic. Look at the board please. Look, in page 54, a day in Jahan's life, here you can find a routine, okay. This routine that Jahan spent in his daily life, okay. Look, read about Jahan's daily routine. Here we can find that at 6:30 am Jahan wake up, 7 am he takes his breakfast, 8:30 am to 3 pm he goes to school, then 4 pm to 5 pm he takes snacks and free time, and 5 pm to 6 pm study with maths or science teacher, 6:15 pm to 7:15 pm study with English or social science teacher, 7:30 pm to 8:30 pm homework, 8:30 pm supper, 9 pm to 10 pm TV, 10:30 pm go to bed. So dear students, like this way we have found that like this way Jahan has spent his life, okay, his daily routine. He has maintained his daily routine like this way. Dear students, you have to make like this way your own daily routine, okay. But here you can write how can you spend your daily life, okay. You can write here, see, when you wake up from bed, okay, when you have taken your breakfast, okay. You like this way you can make a daily routine by your own by yourself, okay. But here the topic you have to write here my daily routine. You have to write as a topic name my daily routine, and then you have to write like this way you have to make a daily routine, okay. But dear students, here you have to write another things after finishing this routine, okay. Like this way 6:30 to 10:30 pm, after finishing like this way you have to make a routine, and after finishing this routine you have to write an explanation, okay. After finishing this routine you can write after finishing this routine that I followed the routine completely for 3 days without any gap. Now I am mentioning what I have really done and what not in those days. Okay, dear students, you can write I have completed most of the tasks of my daily routine, but I have missed 2 of them which I would have loved doing. And you can mention their names too. That is, one is study with English teacher, or one is playing with friends, and the other is watching television. Okay, so you can write like this way, and then you can write that because I have missed this because I had to sit for the final online examination for the last 2 days, so I could not complete them since I had to study hard. Okay, dear students, like this way you can complete this topic. Okay, look, dear students, here among these 3 days you can mention the days name too. For example, suppose Sunday and Monday you have finished your routine properly, you have followed your routine properly, but on Tuesday you could not follow it properly. Look, you can mention the time too, like 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. When you have to finish your math subject with your home tutor, but you cannot finish it on Tuesday because you are sick. For this reason you could not finish or you could not contact with your teacher, or some guest came to your house. For this reason you could not able to finish your work at that time, or you had to join your school online class. For this reason you could not finish your routine properly. Like this way, among these 3 days you have finished your work properly in 2 days, but in any one day, among these 3 days, in any one day you could not finish it properly. Okay, and you have to write its reason as an explanation. So after finishing to write this routine, you have to write an explanation that which work you have done properly and which day you could not finish your work properly, and what is the reason. You have to write this properly. Okay, dear students, you can write here you can write here after finishing this routine you can write like this way, that complete work, and you can write here incomplete work. Look, dear students, incomplete work you can mention here that those work you have finished, or those days you have followed properly as your daily routine work. Okay, you can write here in this complete work, and in this incomplete work you can mention here that which day you could not finish your work properly and what is the reason that you could not finish your work. Okay, at that time what is the reason. In this incomplete work you can write here the reason. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood this topic. Now we will go to the next topic. Look, dear students, our next topic is did you have any experience on a journey by train? If yes, how was it? Write 5 or 6 sentences on it. Dear students, this topic, before starting this topic, you have to write as a topic name my experience on a journey by train. And look, dear students, here we have find another question that if no, which journey did you have? So dear students, if you don't have such type of experience, that is that means journey by train, if you don't have such type of experience, at that time you can write journey by bus or boat, any kind of experience. Okay, and you have to finish it in 5 or 6 sentences. Okay, you have to finish this topic. Look, my experience on a journey by train, you can we have discussed already in our lesson 4 and 5, traveling by train part 1 and part 2. We have already discussed in our class. But dear students, now I am going to give you some ideas, okay, about this journey by train. This you can write that yes, I do. I have an experience I have an experience on journey by train. Last week I went to visit my relatives in Sylhet, and I went there with my parents. Our train left at 8 a.m. from Komolapur railway station, and in this journey I sat by the window so that I could see the beauty of our nature. Then you can write that which things you have seen in this journey. Like you can write, I saw various paddy fields, then rivers and different kinds of trees in this journey, and my heart was thrilled to see this beauty of our countryside. And you can write that it was an enjoyable experience for me, and I began to say in my mind that how beautiful my country is. Okay, I will never forget this. I will never forget this journey. Okay, like this way, you have to make 5 or 6 sentences on this topic. So, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. And if you have any kind of problem, you will contact with me, and my mobile number is I have given here, and my messenger is I also given here. So, dear students, please keep practicing this at your home properly, and of course submit this on 22nd November on Sunday. And of course always abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.